So here's how to get stickers on Monopoly Go easily. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end and don't skip any important steps. To win stickers on Monopoly Go, you have to click on the quick wins option. Here you will be able to view your daily tasks in order to win stickers. You have to complete all of these tasks. You can also win stickers on your weekly prizes. Second method to win Monopoly Go stickers is you have to complete your milestones events. Once you complete your milestone events, now you will get 6k dice and 1 sticker pack. You can also win stickers on landing these tiles, where you will be able to view these things. By simply landing on the tiles with this icon, you can win stickers. Third way to earn stickers is to win tournaments. While playing the tournaments, when you get certain items, then you will also get some stickers packs. Now for sure you have a clear idea on how to win stickers on Monopoly Go. So that's how to win stickers on Monopoly Go.